We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for WordPress. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged in with the appropriate admin privileges. Then navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Calendly and press Enter. You should see the Calendly plugin in the results. Click on Install Now, and once that's done, click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Next, you'll need to connect your Calendly account with WordPress. Go to the settings page of the Calendly plugin and you'll see an option to log in to your Calendly account. Enter your credentials or use single sign-on options if available. After logging in, you can start embedding your Calendly links directly into your WordPress pages or posts. To do this, create or edit a post where you want the Calendly link to appear. Use the Gutenberg editor to add a new Calendly block. In this block, you can paste your Calendly link, which you can find on your Calendly dashboard under Event Types. Copy the link of the event type you want to share and paste it into the block. This will automatically generate a booking interface where your site visitors can schedule appointments. You can customize the appearance of the Calendly booking interface by using additional settings in the plugin options, such as choosing between inline embed or pop-up widget. Don't forget to preview your changes to make sure everything looks good. Finally, publish or update your post. Now your website visitors can easily book appointments directly from your WordPress site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.